But, you know, reading the English resume of this report, I had kind of a dream. I said to myself, it cannot be easy to be the persons that they are talking about having done all this, meaning that they will have to wait 4 years for the investigation to be completed, and then go to court, and then to be convicted probably to a very severe sentence. Why don't they show up by themselves? Why don't they say, I want to become a member of the Icelandic society again. I don't want to be outlaw, and here is what I done. Here is where I kept the money. And then, you know, judges are also more lenient. So they would earn time for the inquiry, and then they would earn time for sentencing. That would be what would be reasonable for everybody.
But they don't. Do you have an explanation why they don't?
Well, if you read my books, this is how everybody I met until now did behave. But maybe it is not necessarily so, and that some of them could realize the damage they have made to the Icelandic society and want to repair it and come and help the investigation.
Then others might follow suit?
Yes.
Let's see how that goes. Thank you very much for your time, Madam Shelley.
Thank you.